What are you doing? Kiva, sit. Look at that perfectly trained dog. Greetings and welcome to Monday. And we've just come back from walking Kiva, who is starving to death, but on the mend, which is great. The vet bill wasn't great, but
no one tells you how expensive a pet is when you have to take him to the vet.
Indeed, we had to get a poo examined because she had an upset stomach and it was going on for about a week, and we got concerned. We've got special food for her now, and hopefully that will sort it out. Anyway,
why talking like David Attenborough? We've got special food for her now.
I was out of breath.
And hopefully that will sort it out.
And now we are going to see what we have for dinner. I went to Tesco on the way back and I found these things, and we've been looking for these for ages. These are the veggie steak from Vivera. They're in Tesco. We also have the sweet potato and potatoes boiling.
So I'm starting to panic a bit because they've told me that I need to sweat my onions. I'm trying to make peppercorn sauce. I need to sweat my onions, preheat my griddle pan for my steaks whilst pestle and mortaring some peppercorns. Right, so far they're nearly done, the potatoes for mash. These I think are sweated. Now I'm panicking they're done. The oil's not even on yet because the steak's still in there, because this is bloody impossible to do. You say, oh, just pestle and mortar some peppercorns. It's like, who says so bloody hard? I think I may have actually fractured a bone in my arm. I think I overdid it a bit. So you can probably tell from the way my vegan steaks look that I've never once cooked a steak in my life, meat or vegan. Oh well. I've eaten a steak when I was a meat eater. I ate steak. I always would have it well done. It's meant to be 5 minutes. I feel like it's been on for too long already. And there we have it. Obviously I think the peppercorn sauce is a little bit of a fail. Oh well, such is life. So it's mash, which is normal potatoes and a little bit of sweet potato because what we had in the fridge. Some peas, of course, what would I do without them? And then a steak, so should we cut this steak? Apparently, hopefully it's cooked, because that'd be annoying if it's not. So, that is what it looks like on the inside. Move that other way. I think with these steaks you can make them rare, medium rare kind of thing. Kiva. Get that sock off your head, you look like a buffoon. Stop. 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 They're a bit big for you. I think they might be a bit big for you. So sweet. Oh, she's using her rabbit as a pillow. Oh. Well, what an eventful afternoon this has been. So, as you may be able to tell, a smaller part of my Morrison's delivery that's just come. Put everything in the fridge. Our fridge at the minute is absolutely rammed. 2 people live in this house. We haven't got any guests coming. Literally just bought everything under the sun. One thing I bought by accident, Bramley sauce. Bramley sauce. Bramley sauce. Why did I buy 3, you ask? Didn't know I had done. Also got a mystery edition Caribou energy drink. Don't drink energy drinks. Didn't order this, not on the receipt. Don't know what I'm gonna do with that. tip it down the drain probably, because I don't want that. And then we had a disaster. The flour popped, but luckily the man delivering it, the delivery man, it happened in the truck, so he's going to give me a refund for the flour. And he said, do you want it or I can just take it back? And I was like, well, I'm obviously going to take it, because what would be the point of me giving it back to you? It's not going to be tampered with, is it? It's just a ripped package. So now I'm just putting the stuff away. And then, as I was putting the stuff away, another delivery came. 15 kilograms of dog food. Hopefully her stomach is better for us to be able to give her this dog food, because it's a new dog food. And so I'll be slightly irritated if she starts having the poops again. And then an early birthday present for me, which I'm not going to open. If you didn't know, because everyone should know this, my birthday is in September, at the end of September, and a delivery came that Sean ordered for me because I said I would like these. And as there was a sale on at the minute, he bought them for me. Here's a clue. I'm not going to open it though. Keep your snoot out the way. Oh, you brought your bunny rabbit with you. Oh, look at this. Just in case she wheezes herself, which she hasn't done. And we tipped the table over yesterday because obviously she weed on the floor and we had to dry out this leg. And I can't pick it up because it's too heavy. So we live like we look like we live in some kind of disaster zone where we've had some sort of flooding and we haven't tidied it up yet. When in fact, actually, we have had a flooding of her wee.
Good evening. I haven't vlogged in a while. I'm just about to make some dinner now, and we are going to have a recipe from Vegan Life. And it is gonna be fried, I like to call it gnocchi, but fried gnocchi. Fried gnocchi sounds better. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so apparently this is a really easy recipe to make, thank goodness. It's basically fried gnocchi. We've got to cook some Linda McCartney sausages and then they'll be mixed in afterwards. And we smother it with seasoning, which is like 3 cups of nutritional yeast, some paprika, and garlic powder. This will take approximately 15 minutes to make. Excellent.
Going to open my boots because I need to see if they fit. We decided to get Hunter wellies because obviously now we have a dog. We're gonna have to walk her when it's raining. Ow, my paper hurts now. We have to walk her when it's raining. And so we need proper shoes. I haven't got any shoes that are weather appropriate when it rains. So, here we are. Right, let's try these on. Ooh, fancy. Glittery ones. You can put your name in it. Property of. Phone number. Why would I lose my welly? Because I take her off on a walk. Look it. Ooh, glitter. Fancy. I got the Hunter thing on. You'd think it's a bit odd that me and Sean, who are vegans, would wear Hunter boots. But you know, hey Sarah. Right, Sean, your ones. Sean got matte black.
Matte black.
Try your big fat feet in them. To fit.
This is how I'm going to wear them.
With shorts.
Yeah.
Like a buffoon. We'll have to get big socks, otherwise it's going to rub on your calf.
Indeed. Now the excitement of the wellies is over. This is dinner. So it is basically fried gnocchi.
Your gnocchi.
Sausages, Linda McCartney sausages, and peas, obviously. And then mixed together with paprika, which I showed you earlier, nutritional yeast and garlic powder. And that's it. That is dinner. In a bowl it goes. So we are...
The tree got a ring around it.
So it doesn't grow out too big?
That's ridiculous.
That's true.
No, why would it just be that one bit there? That's not going to stop anything.
So it doesn't grow.
How is it even on there?
Caroline's currently trying to decipher
It's just levitating.
why a ring was around a tree. Anyway, we are in Stratford now, and it is like a ghost town.
I think because it's Bank Holiday Monday, everyone's either at Carnival on holiday, at Reading Festival, or can't be bothered to get out of bed.
Which is fair on all accounts. However, we're up, been up since About 7:45, 7:30, and we are about to go and do something on a slide. That thing right there. There we are. Better view.
Where the hell is the slide?
I think it's the metal tube. Still on the edge there? No, I'm not pointing at it.
You see people climb up there.
So that's what we're doing.
Yeah, so the dark grey bit is the walkway. You can see a little...
That bit's... Oh, I can't even point. Can't even see.
There.
Yeah.
That's a tunnel. And yeah.
We're going to try and film on a GoPro.
Well, you are. I'm not going to.
Caroline's going to try and film on a GoPro.
I can't film the GoPro. I'm going to be holding on for dear life.
Caroline is petrified.
No, I'm not.
She's not petrified. She is going to...
I don't particularly like heights, and I don't particularly like being enclosed in small spaces. So, both of which is this. But I'm going to power through and just get on with it. It's only go down. It's only a minute long.
You are a strong, independent woman.
I know I am. It's a good shot. Oh, my nose. Oh. Oh. Goodness, that was fun.
Oh, it's quite slow.
Push yourself down.
There we are. And now we are climbing the stairs. Can't really see. No, you can't really see. Here we are. Here's the viewing platform. There's the London Aquatic Centre. Something else. There's the Olympic Stadium, the Olympic Park. It's not saying the landing.
If it's not here, we don't have it.
We're walking down about 1 million steps. Oh. And on each speaker is a different place in London. So this is Limehouse. I'm gonna do this the whole way down. I bet you can't wait. What's the next one? The stadium, the Olympic Park.
On your mark.
Quit the Olympic Park. What was that, Caroline?
I like so.
We're nearly at the bottom knot. This is Sounds of Construction. Eastham Nature Reservoir. Oh, how nice. Hey, come back! Come back here!
I expected you to be here already.
Why?
Like some sort of creepy magic trick. Because we have a little something there. You have a little something there. Hi everyone! Hello! It's Tuesday in the Big Brother house. Sean is making dinner and there's a spider on the ceiling.
Day 21 in the Big Brother house.
Sean's making tofu.
What am I really making?
This recipe, carbonara, it's from Vegan Life magazine. This is an old one from July. Oh no, July 2018, not that old. Vegan Life magazine. I have a subscription for Vegan Life magazine because I went to a vegan. What was it? The vegan
festival.
Vegan, was it vegan festival? What was that? The one that was in Alexander Palace where we had the really nice hot dogs. You basically can get a subscription for. It was about 50 quid, and the magazines are £4.99 each. So you basically got a 50 quid subscription and you got a massive bag full of vegan goodies. It was amazing. So I recommend going to these vegan fairs and signing up for a subscription just for the free stuff. But we're making carbonara. Well, Sean is making carbonara. This is the bacon so far. Obviously it's tofu with stuff in it.
It's got liquid smoke.
I'll show you that's the recipe. It's called liquid smoke. And it's basically, it's a weird thing. I don't understand what it is, but it's basically gives food a smoky taste. So it's meant to mimic the flavour of bacon. That's what we're doing. Obviously we've taken her out, Miss Kiva, out for a walk. And she's now relaxing. And I'm just faffing about, not doing anything useful. My favourite thing to do. I need to have my eyebrows done. The cream. Tastes like salad cream.
Ew!
Oh no. Guess who bit this? We found this in Kiva's bed a few weeks ago. Obviously we've washed it since.
I haven't washed it. I refuse to wash it.
It's only
in her memory.
the chewing. So whilst Sean is stirring up the salad cream carbonara, I'm watching Boobaloo, who is a fellow Disney YouTuber. She is currently on her way to Disney. And this is her one take vlog of one take vlog day 0 as it says on her, the name of it, of her in the Block Hotel, and I'm so jealous. I really want to stay in the Block Hotel. When we went to Disney World we stayed in the Premier Inn, and it's because it's the cheapest one, and we thought, well, why not stay in the cheap one? But now looking at everyone staying in the Block, I'm like, oh, I really want to stay at the Block.
Might have to just book a room and go down.
Just for one night, just for the sake of it, not even going. Because when we go to California, we're staying in, well, we're going from Heathrow, so we don't have a Block there. Also, we do actually need to book a hotel room, considering our flight's been pushed forward in the morning, so it means that we can't travel down there. We're going to have to get a hotel room. It's more money to spend, which I don't want to spend. Woohoo! But yeah, I'll put her can you see it? That's her name there, because Boobaloo. So if you're not already following her, you should do, because she's great.